Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here, and this is Monday special. Okay, this is Monday special. Something very good, but please, I'm really sorry, and I I saw two different plans. I don't know, which one to leave and which one to carry, but I was working on one before I left it, and I go for the second one. The second one is good. The first one is good, but when I was completing the second one, the one that I'm using, then I saw a confirmation of the one that I was going for in the first place. So I'm going to show the two. So please watch it carefully, please. I beg you. There is just some simple plan though. But in midweek, this is the main one that I'm going to use. This is the main one that I will be using though. Let me show that one first before. When I'm done, I'll go for the other one. This is the main one. At event 791, event 791, event 791, they play 19 at fourth position. 19 at fourth position. This one is in midweek. Okay, you count from the midweek one, from that 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 weeks down. Then the year end. So opening of the year, they play single 4. Single 4. As you can see, single 4. Then following week 17 will go under the single 4, play with single 1, and then 80 at first position. 80 at first position. So you see single 4, then they play 3 numbers. The following week, that is the 2 weeks. They play 3 numbers, 80, 17, single 1. So in the following week, that is event 799. These are the numbers that we have on the event. That is 24, 77, 66, 42, and then 87. These are the numbers that we have. And in Lotto, I know so many people know already, but when the number repeats, it's a banker. But when you watch the event, you can see single 7 repeat, go under itself. The 87 also repeat. But you can see the 87 play with it counter. So when you work a plan, 5 numbers, and you are looking for 2 sure, and you can't find it, you first have to look for numbers that repeat. If you see them, those are the 2 sure. You look for number and it counter. If you see those ones, another 2 sure, you go for number and it key. If you see that, you're 2 sure. Or number and it bonanza. If you see that, you're 2 sure. If you don't get that, you come back to column, like either 50 column or any column at all. Then you're 2 sure. Or maybe endings are like this single 7 and then the 87 on the event is an endings alike, and also 10 numbers on the event. If all those things you don't get them on the event, then you use first and second. Usually first and second plays a lot, but this is a plan and it's very strong. That is why I'm going for it, and this is the event that I am using for Monday special though. But I will show the other one also. But this is it. Numbers that I'm picking on the event: single 7, 87, and 42. Those are the 3 numbers that I am picking. I'm using single 7 as my banker. Even though the 87 is also banker, the 42 is the picking banker over there. The reason why I'm using this event is a simple plan that is at in the Monday special itself. A very simple one. You can see at event 897, event 897. You see single 7 at last position first. Following week they play 87. So as the 87 play, you count 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks down, they play 64 in machine last position. Then following week, the single 7 87 will come and play 2 short. Single 7 87 2 short. When you come to current, it's the same thing. Single 7 at last position. Following week, the 87 will play. Then you count 1, 2, 3. That is the the 64 at the last position. So following week, the single 787 will come out and play your 2 short. So single 787, if you watch our event, what we have in midweek, the single 787 is there, and it's both that repeat, those 2 numbers that repeat on the event. So that's why I'm using that. And this event is also good. The event are going to be many. So if you can see this one and you want to try, please, I don't want to mention it, it's going to be many. So you can PERM here also if you want to, if you have something. You can see it's just a simple 2 short that is on the event. Simple 2 short. So confirming the one in the midweek itself, in the midweek paper, here is it. They start from here at event 908. They play 19. So you count from the 19 at 4th position. So you count from the 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks down. Then you see that they play single 4. The opening of the year, they play single 4. Then the 17 will play under it, play with 80 at 1st position and single 1. So 3 numbers. They play single 4 first, then they play 3 numbers, 80, 87 and single 1. Just like how they play it here. 80, 17 and then single 1. 80, 17 and single 1 is the same thing. 80, 17 and single 1. So following week, the single 787 will play with 42. So this is the event I'm using, event 799. And numbers on the event are 24, single 7, 66, 42 and then 87. These are the 5 numbers that I am using. Okay, that is what I'm going to post and that is what I'm using. So event 799 in the midweek paper, numbers on the event 24, single 7, double 6, 42 and then 87. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm going to use for midweek. Okay, now the second one, let me do it very fast. Also in the midweek, the confirmation in the midweek, you can see it's also playing 3 numbers. They're very good 3 numbers. Okay, in the year 2013, this one starts in the midweek and it ends in the second one. This one is a confirmation and then the main one is in Monday special itself. So you can see 19 play first, a very simple plan. 19 play, following week they play 56. 19 following 56. So following week the 19 will jump, play with 55 and then 33. The 19 will jump, play with 55 and then 33. So these are the 3 numbers that this particular plan is picking. This one is in midweek. This is the confirmation. This one is in midweek, event 515 in midweek, 515 in midweek. This one is just a confirmation, but it's also good to PERM. But this is the actual one that I was working on before. So this is it. This is the one in the Monday special itself. So you can see at event 449, they play 19 first. 19 at event 449 in the year 2014. Then you count from that 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down. They will play 70 at center. Winning 70 at center. Following week, the 19 will come back. Play at last position. So following week, that is the 56. As you can see, the 56 will play over there. Following week, the 19 will jump. Play with double 5 and double 3. The 19 will jump, play with double 5 and double 3. So those are the 3 numbers that I'm talking about. If I had wanted to use the event, this is the event I would have used. That is event 460. If you want to try this event too, let me try it. Let me mention it because 32 repeat also on the event. The 32 is also good. So 32, double 3, 19, double 5 and 34. These are the 5 numbers on this event. Even though this is not what I'm going to use, but it's good. I don't want to leave it behind. That's why I'm showing it. It's very, very good. 32, 33, 19, double 5 and then 34. So let me confirm it at the winning. So when you come to winning, here is the 19. That is the 19 over there. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 weeks down. 9 weeks down. That is the 70 at the center. Following week, that is the 19, then the 56 will play. So as the 56 play, the 19 will have to jump because it's at its position, definitely has to jump. And if 19 jump, you play with, it usually jumps with single 5 or single 3. It's even here. Last time I was working on it and I left it and he played 3 numbers that time. So the 19 is supposed to jump and play with single 3 and then single 5. It's also here 19 supposed to jump. But the numbers that is playing with this time around is 19, double 5 and then double 3. So this is also one of the good event that I was talking about. So hopefully the main one that I've chosen will play for us. If you want to try them please. We all need money, so try it, even if small. Thank you very much for being here and bye for now.